Morning traders, so welcome back to the another gold analysis video. I hope you all are doing good. Yesterday the market was little choppy. As you can see, like yesterday the market was moving in the sideways direction, right? Yesterday we didn't see the market to move in a particular in one direction only. Yesterday the market was very choppy. That's why we have been see the sideward movements in the gold market. Yes, yesterday the market was very little confusing as the market was not giving a proper a proper way, or like it's not giving us the proper direction, like in which direction we can expect the market, as the market was moving in a sideways direction. As you can see, the yesterday we have seen a lots of ups and downs in the market, as yesterday there was not any such specific news. But as the Trump speech was there, so there was an important update which I need to give you regarding about this trade war situations. So yesterday Trump has given a very clear statement about it, and he is planning to now raise the tariff on new sector like pharmaceuticals, cars, lumber. So now he is planning to raise the tariff particularly on these sectors. Now understand this, as since the day when the Trump has become the president, so he has come up with a lot of policies, and especially if I talk about this trade war situations. So there are a lot of things, right? Since the day this Trump has started this trade war situation, so we have been covering a lot of things, right? As he is coming up with all the time, he coming up with any new update regarding about this trade war situations, and even with the different countries on the different products and all in the different sectors. So now he is planning to raise the trade tariff on particularly on these sectors. Now obviously those countries who have been dealing in these sectors with the US, or who are exporting all these um, things related to these sectors to the US, obviously now they will be seeing the impact of this trade war, or increased trade tariff, like facing all this trade tariff, what US will be imposing, right? So the things would be difficult for all those countries, as US had already been involved in the trade war situations with China, and then he has started this trade war situation with Canada and Mexico, and even with the now he is involved with the European Union also. Recently, like he's been involved with this trade war situation with Venezuela, right? You must have heard regarding about that Venezuela crude oil thing, right? I have already covered this in my previous oil analysis video. So if you guys didn't know about this whole scenario about this Venezuela crude oil market, so I would suggest you to watch the previous oil analysis videos. You will get to know about it. So after all this, now he just come up with this pharmaceuticals and the other sectors trade tariff situation. So let's see like what we can see the impact in the future. But obviously because of this, the demand for the gold market, as we can see this such bullish movement, we can see the demand for the gold market as in safe haven asset because of all these decisions. So that is why we have seen, even if you see carefully, even when there is a sideward movement in the gold market, but after this news, as we can see, the market finally break this region, or I would say this order block, and then we have seen a breaker block over here as market has successfully break this, and we have been seeing that the market is going up. Now if I talk about the level, so basically 3013 is the pivot, okay, and market is already above the pivot level, so that means the market trend and momentum is highly bullish over here. So obviously if the market goes up, so we have a strong resistance at 3036 or 37, because this was the last time, this was the previous high, right? 3035 and 36, this was the previous high, and after that we have seen a downward movement and market has retest this zone. So now the market would retest the level of 3035 36, and after that if market successfully break the level of 3036, then the next level we can expect, that is 3047, and after that 3057. Okay, so these are the levels that we can expect. But let's say like if the market takes respect this resistance zone of 3036, then we can expect the market to come down and retest the level of 3028 and this 3025, this mainly this region, right? And if market successfully breaks the level of 3025, then we can expect the market to retest the level of 3015 and 16, right? Why I'm telling you this is because yesterday, if you see the market, so we have seen that the market has taken a support at this region of 3016 and 3014, as market has successfully takes the support at this particular region, and from here we have seen a bullish movement in the gold market. So obviously if the market breaks this region, then we can expect the market to go and retest the level of 3016 or 3014. And if market breaks the level of 3014, then we can expect the market to go till 3008. So these are the levels that we can expect market to retest. And if obviously if the market breaks the level of 3008, then we can expect the market to retest the level of 3004 and 3000. So these are the levels that we need to keep in the mind, so that we can be we'll be seeing such kind of movements. If you are looking out for the sell position, then you need to keep all these levels in the mind. Otherwise, as the market is quite bullish for now. Obviously now if I talk about the today's news, so today we have an important news regarding about the final GDP and unemployment claims. So we need to be let's see like what impact we would see regarding about this final GDP, as the last time the GDP like the news was highly positive for the currency market, and unemployment claims, it was also positive. So let's see like what we can expect in the market, right? For the today's news. So I hope you must have got the idea regarding about the gold market, right? So let's see. Please trade accordingly, like whatever the levels I've mentioned, please trade according to those levels only. So we'll meet in the next gold analysis video, traders. Till then, please do safe trading and happy trading. Thank you so much.